Hey everybody, I'm Kris Gethin, and today I'm going to show you how to do the mix your own easy intra workout. Okay, so to begin with, what we're going to do is fill up the shaker bottle here. Now you can have it all the way to the top, or you can have it halfway. I do suggest that you stay completely hydrated throughout your workout, but not so much fluid that you feel full and sluggish. It is essential that you take nutrients throughout your workout to ensure that you finish as strong as you begun. Okay, so to begin with, we start off with 3 grams of pure citrulline. So that is 1.5 scoops of pure citrulline. As I mentioned, for your pre-workout, very different citrulline malate, which is bonded with malic acid, which only gives you a 50-50 ratio. This gives you the entirely 100% of pure citrulline needed to give you that pump and transport nutrients around your body for performance and recovery. Secondly, we go with 5 grams of fermented branch chain amino acids. Remember, these are fermented from a natural plant source, as opposed to the majority on the market, which are derived synthetically from human hair or bird feathers. Stay clear of that. Okay, and then we go straight into our Pure Calf organic green bean caffeine. Okay, an organic source which is 90% pure, extracted from the water of the green bean caffeine. I like to split up my veggie cap and have it in the shake with everything else. It's entirely up to you. You can take the veggie cap if you like. And then I will put in the creatine HCl, okay? And we've got 1.5 grams of creatine HCl here, which again completely dissolves in the water, much like our fermented BCAAs. And it only requires a microdose. Don't worry about it, it's a patented form of creatine HCl. So whilst you're training, you're not gonna feel bloated, you're not gonna have diarrhea, and you're not going to get that fluid retention. This is why I always like to take it when I'm muscle building and trying to burn fat. And lastly, 1 scoop of HydroCharge. When you're working out, you obviously want to stay hydrated. The hydration will keep your electrolyte function up. And further from that, I've got 5 key electrolytes within here from the tender coconut water powder. And whilst you're training, you're also going to be building up a lot of free radical damage. So it is essential that you have antioxidants to beat down that free radical damage from when you're training. So that is the mix your own intra workout. And all you got to do is just shake it up a couple of times and sip on this as you train to ensure that your workouts finish as strong as they begun.